Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase Wallet. So first thing you're going to need to do is open your Coinbase Wallet, and then you just have to tap on that two arrows at the bottom middle. And then once you tap on that, you will see this Bitcoin right here. Just tap on that. And then you just have to copy the wallet address of Bitcoin, which is this one. Just tap on this. Now, once you've copied the address, just go ahead and go to your crypto.com. And then from here, just tap on accounts at the bottom. And then just go to crypto wallet. And then from here, just have to select the crypto that you want to send. So in this case, we're going to send Bitcoin. So tap on Bitcoin. And then just go ahead and tap on withdraw. And then just tap on external wallet. And now it'll ask you to add a new address. So just tap on add address. And from here, just have to paste the wallet address that we've copied from Coinbase. So just tap on that, paste right there. And then just go ahead and name the wallet. So in this case, we're going to name it Coinbase Wallet or BTC. And then once you're done with that, just tap on continue. And then after that, it will show you this. So just tap on yes, I trust this address. And then after that, your wallet address or your Coinbase wallet will be added to your withdrawal list. And then it will show you this message right here. You cannot withdraw funds yet. You have to wait for 24 hours. So once the 24 hours is over, you can then go ahead and withdraw crypto to Coinbase Wallet. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!